Chapter 2 My Body. Let's dive in. Hi, I am Sanjay. Ranveer is feeling shy, so I will tell you about our body. I have labeled the different parts of my body for you. I have forgotten the names of some body parts. Will you help me by filling the blanks? This is forehead, ear, cheek, tooth, tongue, abdomen, knee, foot, eyebrows, eye, lips, nose, mouth, neck, arms, chest, hand, leg, toes. Look at yourself in the mirror. You see two legs. This is toe, this is foot, this is head. We walk, jump, jog, run and dance with our legs. Off the hook, did you know sometimes people are born without some body parts like arms or legs? They use artificial body parts. Artificial body parts are made to look and work like real parts. We should not make fun of people who are not able to use their body parts properly or use artificial ones. We have two arms. Each arm has a hand. We write, eat and hold things with our hands. We have a head. Our head helps in thinking and doing things. The front part of our head is the face. The face has many parts too. We have two eyes. Our eyes help us to see things and read. Many people cannot see well, so they wear spectacles to help them see better. What is missing from the face of these boys and girls? Your eyes is missing, nose, mouth, ears. Think tank. We use two or more of our body parts to do some things. Can you think of some such things? We use many body parts in ice skating. We have two ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds and listen to music. A girl listening to music using her ears. We have one nose. Our nose helps us to smell things and breathe. Girl smelling a flower using her nose. Boy smelling food with the help of his nose. We have one mouth. Our mouth has two rows of teeth and a tongue. Our teeth helps in chewing food. Our tongue helps us to taste food and speak. Our lips also help us to speak. Our tongue can taste food as sweet, sour, salty or bitter. This is mouth. These are teeth. This is a tongue. This is lips. We have skin all over our body. It helps us feel the touch of things. It helps us to feel things as soft or hard, hot or cold. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us to know about things around us. These 5 parts of our body are called sense organs. 5 senses: sight, touch, taste, hearing, smell. Exercises. Write in the boxes how many of each of these body parts we have. Toes 10, thumb 2, fingers 10, nose 1, hands 2, arms 2, mouth 1, eyes 2, legs 2. Write down the names of the body parts used in the following actions: kicking, legs; painting, hands; jumping, legs; cycling, hands and legs; swimming, hands and legs. Name the following parts of the body. What are the different things you do with each part? Write in your notebook. You can write it. Next, active fish. Look at the following faces. Can you tell what each one is feeling. Write in the blanks given below. Now stand in front of the mirror and try to enact each feeling. This is very happy, hurt, sleepy, sick, upset, happy, very sad, shy, angry. Wish, fish. Ranveer has turned away from us to look at the rainbow. Can you label his body parts? You can label. Nice fish. One day, Ranveer was playing in the park with his friend Bunty. He noticed that Bunty's clothes are very dirty. He also told Ranveer that he did not take a bath. What should Ranveer tell Bunty about taking care of the body? This is the activity. This completes chapter 2.